The Inspectis C12 digital microscope is a potent package combining the latest advances in image sensor technology, high-grade optics, and carefully engineered solid mechanical design. C12 is complete and ready for use, including built-in pure white LED illumination. Essential controls are conveniently placed on top of the unit. Optional features include simple SD card, image capture, and full ESD protection. Superb optics are at its core. With swift autofocus and motorized zoom, C12 delivers sharp, bright images of class-leading quality, effortlessly. The system is ready for action straight out of the box. Simply connect C12 via HDMI to a high-definition monitor to take advantage of the astonishing image resolution, high contrast, and true color for your optical inspection work. The large assortment of accessories extends the performance and capability still further. The superior ergonomics afforded by using an Inspectis digital video system offer significant benefits to the user compared with conventional microscopes. More comfortable positioning helps to reduce eye strain and physical fatigue, leading to more efficient performance of tasks. 60 frames per second, lag-free video and the 240mm working distance make the C12 a perfect viewing device for undertaking precision assembly tasks or operations. The standard magnification range from 2.5 to 30 times can be extended to 90 times by fitting one of a range of macro lenses. Inspectis offers true ease of use with minimal interaction. All basic control parameters are at your fingertips. Some demanding situations may require additional finesse. To exploit the excellence of the imaging system still further, use the optional remote control that empowers the operator with a host of additional control functions such as crosshair overlay. Repetitive tasks can be made quicker and more consistent using the remote control's 2 memory buttons. Complete viewing setups can be set and quickly recalled. To further simplify operation, selected functions can also be controlled by a foot pedal. In summary, the Inspectis C12 high-definition digital microscope is the cost-effective choice that offers the highest build quality, plug-and-play ease of use with outstanding optical performance. Inspectis, quality of inspection.